Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to cash in 1xBet using Gcash. This is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so, you simply click on registration. Next, you click on buy email, and here you're going to fill all your personal information. Now at the section of promo code, you enter the promo code UTV, and by using this promo code, you get a bonus of 300%. So if you top up your account with $100, you get $300. Now at your home screen, all you have to do is to press on the plus icon at the top left. Now you're going to find out the payment method available, but you're going to head back, and next you're going to click on the menu icon. Here you're simply going to click on the deposit icon at the top right, and here you're still going to find out all the payment method available for you. So just as you can see, there's no Gcash payment method here, but this is simply due to my location. So in the case you have location support, the Gcash payment method as a valid payment method, this will be figured out directly in the 1xBet account as a way to cash in your account.